Today we are going to talk about how to extend a disk, either it's OS disk or data disk on the Azure VM with the help of PowerShell. Hello everyone, my name is Arun and welcome to the PowerShell with Azure series. Let's get started. So I'm logged into my lab environment and I have this resource group. This is the best way to, rather typing the entire resource group and the VM name again and again, it's better keep them in a variable and then start working on it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the disk information under this variable. Okay, and we can get this with the help of get azdisk. Oh, my IntelliSense timed out, so let me write it down. Get azdisk, resource group name, $RG, name. Come on, yeah. Now the thing is, we need disk name as well. Okay, only then we can specify, because get disk will get all the disk inside this particular resource group, but we need only the disk with the help of a name that belongs to this VM so that we can extend it. All right, so let me show you how to get the information. I think it has already been covered. Yes, it has already been covered in the previous videos, but I can show you. So let's try to get the VM information first. All right, let me put it here. $VM is equal to get az VM, again resource group, $RG, and the name of the VM, $VM name. If I get this variable right here, $VM, we know there is so many information inside this $VM, and the dot will help us to fetch that information. And here we are talking about disk, so let's go to the storage profile. Now if I enter, you'll see I have the information of OS disk and the data disk. So let's do the data disk, and exactly the same way we can do the OS disk. So how it would be like dot data disks. There we go. It's 32 GB and disk 01 is the name, and it is attached. Let's clear, and here we have disk name. Now we know how to write a disk name here. It would be absolutely simple now. $VM dot storage profile dot data disks dot name. And this will get, this variable would have the information from this command, information of disk. Okay, we can see, for example, if I do $disk dot disk size in GB and check, it says 40. Okay, we all can see that it says 40. And now we need to increase the size, let's suppose 50. What we can do is equal to 50. Oh, 50. Now we need to update this disk, only then it would be added in the actual disk. Right now it is there in your PowerShell session. Okay, so let me put it here, $new size. Let's put it here like this, and it would be update dot azdisk resource group $rg name disk, not the name but the disk. There would be $disk right here. This disk we need to update, and the disk name is $disk dot name. Now this will update it. Now again, this would have a lot of values inside $new. If I run this, there is a lot of information that would appear on your screen. We don't want that. We only want what we are looking for. Okay, so let's see what all we can get with the help of $new dot. We have the disk size in ZB, right? That's what we need. You see, it's 50 now. Okay, cool. We have $new dot managed by. This will give the information where it is attached or the name of the VM, but it will give you the resource ID, the entire string, you know. Let's learn how to split it. Now I get this information inside a $C. Now $C would have a lot of information, and we all know that resource ID is always separated with the help of /. So we need to split. What we need to split? $split /. We need to split the string on the basis of /. Come on. This is the method that we are using, split. And now there would be so many lines in the resource ID we have covered in the previous videos, and we are only interested to the VM that is always at the last. So do last one, and you can see the same thing happens when you do the network interface information. It would be the entire string, and at the end there would be the information of nickname. There we go. You can see the name of the VM, it is exactly the same. So that's how you can see this disk which we have updated is attached with this VM. Okay, cool. Now, okay, so that's how you increase the size of data disk, and same thing you can do with the OS disk. I told you right here, this part you gotta change from data disk to OS disk, and it will give you the information or increase the size in the OS disk. Always remember, we cannot decrease the size, we can always increase the size, and you gotta shut down the VM to perform this operation and need to update the VM. We all know that, we have already covered that part. Okay, now if you want to see any particular disk is not attached or to any VM, you can simply go to the managed by. It should be null. If it is giving an information like VM, that means that it is attached to that VM. Okay, well, that's all about it. Thank you for watching.